Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to draw a BMW X1. Let's begin by establishing the basic proportions of the vehicle. First, lightly sketch a long rectangle for the main body, then add a smaller, slightly raised rectangle on top for the cabin. These initial shapes will guide your drawing, ensuring the car looks balanced and realistic. Focus on getting the overall size and placement right before adding any details. Now, let's refine the body and add some key features. Gently curve the lines of your initial rectangles to form the car's sleek silhouette. Pay close attention to the front, where the iconic BMW kidney grille and sharp headlights reside. For the wheels, draw 2 circles, ensuring they are evenly spaced and sized. Add smaller inner circles for the rims, giving them a solid, grounded appearance. Moving on, it's time to define the windows and other exterior elements. Carefully outline the windshield and side windows, making sure their angles match the car's design. Next, add the side mirrors and door handles, paying attention to their placement and size. If you wish, you can hint at some interior details, like the steering wheel or seats, visible through the glass. These small touches add depth and realism to your drawing. Finally, let's bring your BMW X1 to life with shading and highlights. Use varying pencil pressure to create shadows under the car, within the wheel wells, and along the body lines. This adds a 3-dimensional quality. Don't forget to add small reflections on the windows and shiny surfaces to give it that polished look. Before we wrap up, remember to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other fantastic deals you won't want to miss. Practice makes perfect, so keep drawing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.